Welcome guys to the official launch of the NOVITEC Lamborghini URUS Performante. I'm not the cock you used to, but beyond is on holiday, so I would say we start directly into the video. That's totally great. So it's raining like crazy, but we only have 782 horsepower under this beast, so I guess we try our best to have as much material as possible. That's crazy. That's totally crazy. I think I would drive that as a daily. What do you think, Josh?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Okay, another one. In this car we have an Entronic plug-and-play system to get as much horsepower as possible out of that engine. We have a completely new exhaust system from front to rear, like really completely, and like you hear now, the flaps are closed, so it's quiet in here, and if you push that button, it's not so quiet anymore. So I would say let's go. I think we should kick out Josh for a quick sound check, maybe. There's too much traffic here. Wait a second. Oh, you hear the pops? Okay, normally Bjorn is doing all that and he does an amazing job, but he's on holiday and chilling somewhere, I guess, where it's pretty warm, sandy, ocean in front of him, and sipping some apple juice. Be fine with me right now that we are doing this together. Thank you for watching this. Josh, hold the camera. For SUV, it's like more like, it feels really like a little bit like a sports car now. With the air suspension you have a little bit travel on the hard curves and stuff, but now it feels really tight, and yeah, we can roll the windows down. right now, so we go in. It's a little bit warmer over there and I'll show you something. Let's go.
I'ma kick back when you fake like that. Back when you fake like that. 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 Head out of the
Alright guys, how did you like the drive with this one? We go now to the black car. I'll show you a little bit around and show you what's new, what's different. We have here our brand new engine bonnet. It's completely fully carbon, inside and outside. It's functional too, so you don't have any heat problems or anything. Perfect. We have in front a lot of new carbon parts. We have a new lip over here, We have carbon here. We have a new front lip. You can choose this one with your wide body URUS or to your standard URUS, as well as a wide body kit without the front lip. So you have many options, whatever you like, it's your choice. Let's go over there. I want to show you at the wheel arches, we have brand new 23-inch NL5s. Let me know in the comments what you think. You like the NL4 more or the NL5? I think Josh give you a little example now. Back over there to the green car. On the green car, we have also a roof spoiler. It's a little bit styled like the Performante one, but you also can take it on the S. So you can choose on your URUS S if you want a roof spoiler, a carbon cover over there, whatever you like. We have a 3-piece rear lip in carbon, and we have a brand new diffuser on the back. It's more aggressive. We have thicker fins over here. And you can also choose if you want this one with your standard URUS or with your wide body URUS, so you can make it unique anyway. And also a new part over here from the wide body, what goes completely into the curve here and around here to make it look like it's factory-wise. We have exhaust tips, what you know already from the old URUS. We developed a new exhaust system on this one, so you have a more aggressive sound and you have much more difference between flaps closed and open. I would say we go for a drive with this one because this one you hear already, so let's go. Stay guys, I hope you're well. This time we're in the black URUS Performante, what you saw already in the studio. On this one we have the small exhaust setup, that means it only have X-pipe and rear muffler with flaps. So if I push this button here, you hear slightly different, you hear the difference. Yeah, the sound is enough on this one already. You have the exhaust system and the X-pipe, and that's totally enough. But if you really want that everybody is staring at you if you drive to the gas station or whatever, then you need the setup of the green one. I would take the green one for sure. 2000%. Okay, Josh, I think you can go out and we do a little launch control start. What do you think? So for those guys who didn't know, we live on the countryside where you have maybe like 1000 tractors. Yeah, that was one of these 1000. 2000. Get back to the chopper. Here we go, tunnel, windows down. Yes, that's good. It doesn't feel like a SUV, it feels more like a sports car. I don't know how you could compare this, but it doesn't feel like a SUV. I really can't wait for the Pusango. Actually, maybe we have one already, and I know you're waiting for the exhaust system, but soon, really soon. So guys, that's the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I would say we go over to a little pond. Let's go.